If you're a lead generation agency like us, or you're trying to scale up your email outreach, you might have run into a problem. If you send more than 50 cold emails a day, maybe 100 cold emails a day, you run a heavy risk of being marked as spam. And I know that Gmail sending limits are 2,000 a day, all right? I know that. You can Google it, you can see it. That does not mean you're safe when you're sending cold emails to send 2,000 cold emails a day. In fact, I wouldn't recommend you send more than 50 cold emails per inbox. Now, we send tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of cold emails a month. So how do we manage all of these inboxes sending 50 emails per day? It seems like it would be impossible. And that's what I want to talk about in today's video. How to forward your email from multiple emails to a single email inbox so that you can manage cold email at scale without being marked as spam. But before I jump into it, make sure that you like this video and subscribe down below. There's going to be a ton of value here, and I want you to show that you like this type of content. If you want this kind of tutorial stuff, you got to pay with a like, all right? Pay with a like, subscribe down below, and you're going to love this. So let's get into it. So how do you forward your email from multiple emails to a single email? It starts inside of Gmail or Google Apps for Work. So go on over to your Google Apps for Work account. I'll use alex@taplio.io. You can see we were sending some cold emails a while ago here. We've abandoned this domain for now. We were using it for influencer outreach. And actually, we did pretty good. We got a response here from Head Shark Mark Cuban. So how do we set up the inbox forwarding? Log in to your email account. Then you click the gear icon on the top right-hand side of your email dashboard. This is the settings icon. Then you click on See All Settings in the drop-down menu. Then you go to this tab, Forwarding and POP/IMAP, and you click Add a forwarding address. Then you enter a new forwarding email address. This is where you'd put the email address of the final inbox. So let's say we wanted to manage all of these cold email campaigns from my X27 account. I would put in alex@x27marketing.com and hit next. Then this box will pop up asking me to either proceed or cancel, and I'm going to click proceed. Now, a confirmation code has been sent to alex@x27marketing.com to verify permission. All you do there is just click OK. Then go over to the final inbox, which in this case would be alex@x27marketing.com, and you'll see this message from Gmail. And all you have to do is click this link to automatically forward and confirm the request. Hit confirm, and we're good. Now, alex@taplio.com may forward mail to alex@x27marketing.com. So now inside of Gmail, we'll refresh because we verified it, and you'll see our settings have now updated. So for forwarding, we see disable forwarding, or we can forward a copy of incoming mail to alex@x27marketing.com and either keep the mail in the inbox, or mark it as read, or delete it, or archive it. Now, typically I would just mark it as read, but in the long run, it might make your inbox unusable, so you might also want to archive it. But I'm going to make it as read. And there you go. Hit Save Changes, and now every copy of incoming mail will go to alex@x27marketing.com, and in theory, I will never have to open alex@taplio.io's inbox ever again. And that's how you manage multiple inboxes using one inbox inside of G Suite. What other questions do you have about cold emailing? I'd love to do more tutorial videos like this. Let me know down in the comments below. Happy to answer any question. It doesn't matter how stupid you think it is. This was something that a lot of people didn't know, so I was very happy to make this video. Let me know down below if you have any questions like that. And if you want to join a community of entrepreneurs that are all growing their businesses together, then you have to check out Email 10K. You can ask your question about your business to me personally inside of our weekly calls or in our community. So make sure you go ahead and do that at email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Like this video to encourage this type of content on YouTube, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.